In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and install your bed assist rail from Panta. It is super easy. There's no tools involved, and it's only 2 steps. So I'll show you how to do it, and then we can install it on the bed so you know what to expect when you receive your item. But let's get to installing it. The first step is just connecting the base together. Take this U-shaped piece, and you're going to take your handle, and all you got to do is slide it on, push the pin down, and pop it into place. And there's different lengths here, so whatever length you need, you can easily adjust it to whatever desired length that you want. Let's get the other leg on there and we can move to the next step. All right, so just like that, the base now is fully assembled, and let's get the handle on top. The handle is just the same as those legs. You just pop it into place and you're good to go. All right, so just like that, this is fully assembled and ready to be installed onto the bed. So let's move to that step. All right, so now we can get to installing it onto the bed, and it's very easy. They do give you a strap if you'd like to connect the actual product to the bed frame, but you don't need to do that. It's totally optional. Personally, when I install them, I don't do that. I find you can just slide onto the mattress, and that's more than enough leverage to get in and out of bed without it moving at all. But I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So very simple. All you have to do is take your item, lift up your mattress, and wherever you want to put it, I'm going to put it more towards the middle of the bed, slide it under there, and you're good to go. And just like that, this thing is fully installed. It's not going anywhere. You now have a handle to help you get in and out of bed. I have a box spring on here. If you don't have a box spring, it'll still work. Just make sure you have some type of platform, bed frame that's going to give it leverage to sit in between, the mattress and the box spring, or the mattress and the bed frame. But overall, it's super easy to install, very affordable. So if you're struggling getting in and out of bed, or maybe your loved one is struggling, getting in and out of bed, this makes it a whole lot easier. So this gets 2 thumbs up from me.